Remember to subscribe to our YouTube channel at NDN Nigeria. Click on the subscribe button and be the first to get notifications. Niger Delta Development Commission, NDDC, making a difference.
The accomplishments of the current board and management of the Niger Delta Development Commission (NDDC) under the leadership of Mr. Chiedu Ebie and Dr. Samuel Ubuku have been nothing short of outstanding and remarkable. The number of high-impact projects delivered so far, as well as the ongoing programs, speaks to the readiness of the current leadership to change the narrative in the oil-bearing region. Their successes so far gives credence to the call from Niger Delta leaders that the Commission should be exempted from the federal government's Treasury Single Account TSA. This exemption, they say, will grant the agency financial autonomy, enabling it to expand and scale up ongoing transformations across all communities and sectors in the region.
While Nigeria's foremost interventionist agency, the Niger Delta Development Commission (NDDC), has not always met the expectations of Niger Deltans over the years, its efforts have undeniably brought significant improvements to underdeveloped communities in the oil-rich region. Many communities that had never received any form of government intervention now have the NDDC to thank for critical infrastructure such as schools, internal roads, potable drinking water, electricity, solar-powered streetlights, and health facilities. The current board and management, led by Chiedu Ebie and Dr. Samuel Ubuku, are now raising the bar even higher. Over the past 8 months, they have focused their energies and resources on completing impactful projects that are transforming the fortunes of the people. Notable among these projects are the 27.5-kilometer Ogbianembe Road, connecting over 14 communities in Bayelsa State, the Ibeno Road and a 600-meter long bridge in Akwa Ibom State, and power substations in both Ondo and Edo states that will power hundreds of communities. At the commissioning ceremony of the Ibeno Road and a 600-meter long bridge, President Bola Ahmed Tinubu, represented by Senate President Godswill Akpabio, commended the NDDC for its excellent service delivery.
The MD of NDDC and your team, the chairman of the board of NDDC, you have done well. You commissioned a road in Bayelsa, 27 kilometers with 7 bridges. Within this first year of President Bola Ahmed Tinubu's administration, the president is happy about that.
Human capacity development and social welfare are also prioritized with equal seriousness. Comprehensive engagement programs are currently underway, collating youth populations in the region for specialized training and empowerment. Additionally, the Niger Delta Chamber of Commerce is being established, along with a partnership with the Bank of Industry, which will provide numerous opportunities for entrepreneurs and business owners in the region. Several agricultural and food sufficiency programs are also in place. The Commission has clearly embraced President Tinubu's renewed hope agenda in the interest of the region's people. However, to maintain this trajectory of all-round development, Managing Director Dr. Samuel Ubuku, during the signing of a performance bond with the Ministry of Niger Delta Development Commission at a retreat in January this year, appealed to the President to exempt the Commission from the federal government's Treasury Single Account, which has been a major impediment to its operations.
In the pre-TSA era, NDDC achieved a lot because there was flexibility for NDDC to partner with banks. There was flexibility for even contractors to even get APGs. If the government can review the stance of NDDC under the TSA by taking the NDDC out of TSA so that the NDDC can have flexibility. NDDC is self-funded. With the self-funding monies expected from the IOCs, with the self-funding monies expected from the statutory allocation, NDDC can actually tie some of these funds to specific projects using financial institutions to develop the Niger Delta aggressively.
Speaking at the commissioning of the 27.5-kilometer Ogbianembe Road in Bayelsa State, former Managing Director Timi Alaibe, who initiated many of the recently commissioned projects, emphasized that removing the Nddc from the TSA regime would be a sure way for President Tinubu to demonstrate his commitment to the rapid transformation of the oil-bearing region.
The TSA thing will not work with the current system of project implementation. And I want to seize the opportunity to warn that if we want projects to be delivered, go back to the post-TSA period so that we can achieve project delivery in time.
Last year, the president exempted the Federal Capital Territory from the TSA framework, leading to a noticeable acceleration of development across the capital city. Borrowing from the AKUGHA experience, stakeholders from the Niger Delta region are confident and optimistic that, with the president's anticipated favorable considerations, the current leaders who have proven their worth in facilitating infrastructure development, social stability and economic prosperity will achieve remarkable progress across the region.
So Nddc current management board led by Dr. Samuel Buku is doing very well, but I believe that if more resources is given to them with the approval of the budget and the TSA account to enable him function properly, I think he has the capacity and the prowess to be able to do very well in this direction.
Exempting the Nddc from the TSA will give its leadership the opportunity to undertake major legacy projects that provide relief to the struggling population of the region. This exemption will facilitate partnerships with banks and other development stakeholders, while also allowing the Commission to defray the significant debt owed to contractors over the years.
Niger Delta Development Commission, NDDC, making a difference.
Inside the Niger Delta,